In the bowl, we're adding 3 cups of pasta.
Add more water to cover the pasta.
Add salt.
1 tablespoon of oil and cover. In the pan, we are going to add about 2-3 tablespoons of oil. To that, we are going to add some chopped onions. Add minced garlic. Add your meat. All the redness is gone. I have this ground beef from the fridge, so I'm going to add that. Remove the beef and just set it aside. We are going to start our sauce. So in a blender, I'm going to add some grape tomatoes, and we are going to blend that. In that same pan, I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of oil, add some chopped onions, and toss it around. Next, we'll add our tomatoes, the blended tomatoes. Sprinkle some onion powder, some garlic powder. Stir. I'm going to turn off the stove. It's soft enough. And I'm going to run it under cold water for about 1 minute. I'll add some the grape tomatoes just for decoration. At this time, we add the beef back in. We'll add our pasta back in. We'll add a little bit of herbs just for decoration. And this is parsley and some spring onions. Leave it on for about 10 minutes. That's the end of our pasta. This is about 4 to 5 minutes. You're going to turn off the heat and serve. Thank you so much for watching. We will come back with another recipe for you. Bye-bye.